In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pixel-perfect icons in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so we have a clean canvas to work on. Pixel perfection means every point sits exactly on the pixel grid, which keeps lines crisp and prevents blurry edges at small sizes. First, enable the pixel grid. From the main menu, choose View, then Pixel Grid. When you zoom in, you'll see the individual pixels, which makes it easy to catch edges that fall between pixels and fix them early. Next, create a frame at a standard icon size, 16 by 16, 24 by 24, or 32 by 30. Pick the size your product uses most and stick to it across your set. A consistent frame ensures predictable spacing and alignment. When the icons are used together, if you are delivering multiple sizes, design at the smallest first and scale up once the form's read clearly. Inside that frame, add a layout grid. A 1-pixel grid gives exact snap points for strokes and corners, while an 8-pixel grid provides a broader rhythm for spacing. Use whichever helps you align shapes quickly and keep it consistent so every icon follows the same rules. Keep all X and Y positions, plus width and height, as whole numbers. Check those fields in the right sidebar and round anything with decimals. Even a 0.5 position can soften a line on export. So nudge shapes until everything lands on integers. For strokes, set the alignment to inside or outside when you are using an odd stroke width, like 1 pixel. A centered 1-pixel stroke sits on 2 pixels at once and looks fuzzy. Inside or outside keeps it on a single pixel row or column and preserves sharp edges. Now create your icon shapes inside the frame. Build with simple geometry, let the grid do the snapping and keep key edges aligned to whole pixels. As you draw, zoom in to verify corners and endpoints, then check at 100% to confirm the icon reads cleanly at its intended size. If something looks soft, move it a single pixel or adjust the stroke alignment until it clicks into place. Maintain a consistent visual weight across your set by reusing the same stroke thickness and spacing you established here. Follow these steps and your icons will export sharp, consistent, and ready for any screen. Thanks for watching.